Hey there, Antonio from Paired Recruiting here, and if you're an automotive shop owner, today's video is just for you. Running an auto shop is no small task. You've got to handle everything from repairs and maintenance to customer service, all the while keeping the business running smoothly. It's a lot to juggle, right? But what if I told you that you could lighten your load and hire skilled help for as low as $5 an hour? That's right, there are some key roles you can fill with affordable overseas talent, which gives you more time to focus on growing your business and delivering top-notch service to your customers. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 essential roles you should consider hiring for your automotive shop. These positions will help streamline your operations, boost productivity, and even help increase your customer satisfaction. The first role you should consider hiring is a virtual receptionist. As an auto shop owner, you know how much time it takes to manage phone calls, schedule appointments, and handle customer inquiries. It can be a real time sink, especially when you're in the middle of a busy day or trying to focus on repairs. That's precisely where a virtual receptionist comes in handy. A virtual receptionist can answer phone calls, respond to customer questions, schedule appointments, and even send reminders, all from a remote location. They handle all the admin work so you can focus on what you do best, keeping cars in top shape and your customers happy. And the best part of all, you can hire a skilled virtual receptionist from overseas for around just $5 to $7 per hour, making it an affordable solution for your business. Imagine this: while you're working on cars, your receptionist is booking appointments, answering calls, and even sending out follow-up messages to clients. You won't have to worry about missing out on potential business or letting your customer service slip. And that's some real peace of mind. When hiring a virtual receptionist, you want to look for someone who is organized, has a great communication skill set, and is familiar with scheduling software. And don't worry about the distance. A good virtual receptionist can handle your calls just as efficiently as someone sitting in your shop. At Paired, we specialize in connecting auto shop owners like yourself with reliable receptionists who can make your day-to-day operations run smoothly. With our help, you can focus on your work while knowing your customers are in good hands. The second role to hire for your shop is a social media and marketing specialist. Let's be honest, marketing isn't something most auto shop owners have time for, but it's essential to grow your business. And that's where a dedicated marketing specialist comes in. And guess what? You can hire an experienced social media manager for as low as $5 to $10 per hour from countries like the Philippines. A social media and marketing specialist can take charge of your online presence. They can manage your Facebook, Instagram, and Google My Business profiles, ensuring you're consistently engaging with potential customers. They can post updates about special promotions, share customer testimonials, and even respond to online reviews. Everything you need to keep your shop's name out there. They can also run targeted ad campaigns to bring in new customers, especially when business is slow. You might be great at fixing cars, but doing marketing well requires a different set of tools. Having a professional handle it for you means your business can reach a wider audience with much less effort. Not sold on having an online presence? Well, it's actually quite important. Why? Because more and more customers are looking for services online, even for automotive repair. If your shop isn't active on social media, you're missing out on a big chunk of potential business. And remember, Paired can connect you with highly skilled marketing professionals at a fraction of the cost you'd pay locally. Next on the list is a bookkeeper. Handling finances is not the most exciting part of running an automotive shop, but it's one of the most important. Accurate bookkeeping is crucial for keeping track of your revenue, expenses, and taxes. However, trying to manage this on top of running your shop can be a little overwhelming, and a good bookkeeper takes this load off your shoulders by handling tasks like managing invoices, recording expenses, reconciling accounts, and preparing financial reports. With the right bookkeeper, you'll have a clear financial insight into how your shop is doing, which can help you make better overall business decisions. What's even better is you can hire an overseas bookkeeper for about $6 to $8 per hour. These professionals are well trained in accounting practices, and many are familiar with tools like QuickBooks or Xero, making it easy for them to integrate into your existing system. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your books are handled correctly every month. No more scrambling to get your financials in order at tax time. Plus, you'll have a much clearer picture of how your shop is performing, which can help you make smarter decisions about where to invest, what to cut back on, and how to grow. The fourth role that can make a huge difference for your automotive shop is a customer service rep. In today's world, customer expectations are sky high. People want quick responses to their questions, whether they're asking about your services, scheduling an appointment, or following up on a repair. A customer service rep can handle these inquiries professionally and promptly, ensuring your customers feel valued and taken care of. And a remote customer service rep can even manage phone calls, emails, and live chat on your website. They can follow up with customers after a service is completed, gather feedback, and even cross-sell or upsell services. Hiring someone for this role ensures that your customers never feel ignored and you maintain a high level of service even when you're busy in the garage. The cost for this role can start at around $5 to $7 per hour when hiring from countries like the Philippines, where customer service professionals are known for their strong communication skills and attention to detail. A dedicated customer service representative ensures that every client leaves happy and is more likely to recommend your shop to friends and family. The fifth and final role is an Autoparts Manager. As you know, managing inventory for an automotive shop can be a huge hassle. Keeping track of what parts you have, what you need to order, and ensuring you have the right parts in stock at the right time is key to keeping your shop running smoothly. A parts manager can take this responsibility off your plate by handling inventory management, supplier relationships, and purchasing. Hiring an experienced parts manager, especially someone overseas who can work remotely on inventory systems, can cost you as little as $5 per hour. They'll make sure that your shop always has the parts you need when you need them, which minimizes delays and keeps your customers happy. A good parts manager ensures that your shop runs like clockwork. And at Paired Recruiting, our team can help you find a qualified parts manager who can handle your inventory remotely and efficiently. With this role covered, your shop will be able to focus on what it does best, fixing cars and keeping clients happy. So there you have it, 5 key roles that can help take your automotive shop to that next level. Each of these roles can be filled by skilled professionals for as low as $5 an hour, saving you time and money while improving your shop's operations. If you're ready to start hiring and growing your shop, reach out to Paired today. We offer a free consultation to help you find the best fit for your business. Visit our website or click the link in the description to get started. And remember, Paired Recruiting offers a 3-month satisfaction guarantee. This means if your new hire doesn't work out within those 90 days, we'll find you a replacement at zero cost to you. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Got any questions about hiring overseas talent? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.